Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but let's completely honest, finding perfect changes everything. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it works exactly as advertised, I was completely sold. It is shockingly good at what it does, cause it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it makes your daily routine effortless. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade right this second. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but let's completely honest, finding perfect changes everything. If you love